Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I do drop content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's just get into the video. It is Wednesday, February 10th. The market is now closed for the day, but I want to talk about Naked Brand. So ticker symbol NAKD. Now it is sitting at $1.72 on the day, up 33%, another 13% after hours to $1.72 on the day. Now I did give you guys NAKD at 48 cents back on January 21st. I made a video about NAKD talking about how I see it reaching $1, which it definitely surpassed that. But I talked about how they're restructuring their business model, moving everything to e-commerce, and how I generally really liked the stock. So here we are at $1.71 right now, or $1.72. So hopefully you guys made some gains there. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and invest your money at your own risk. I'm simply just giving you guys information. Hopefully you guys do something with it. So NAKD, you guys, Naked Brand Group. I know that this stock was involved in the short squeeze a couple weeks ago with GameStop, Beyond Bed Bath & Beyond, Nokia. Naked Brand Group was a part of that, and we did see it raise significant value from that. Since then, it has dropped down, and then now recently it is back on the rise again, $1.72. And this stock actually traded pretty crazy volume today, 412 million trades of NAKD today. And honestly, in my opinion, I do think we're going to see a nice run of Naked Brand. I do think this stock is going to go on a nice little run soon, and I think it's still definitely time to get in. So I just want to talk about NAKD and then talk about a few things about the company, and then maybe give you guys some insight on whether or not you guys want to get in this stock. So Naked Brand Group, if you guys aren't familiar with them, they have an intimate bikini, swim, and apparel. They do a bunch of things in that space. They have many brands underneath the Naked Brand Group: Fredericks of Hollywood's, Fairform, Pleasure State, Lovable, Bendon Man, Hickory, and Davenport. I'm not sure if some of you guys are familiar with these, but like I talked about in the previous video, they are trying to move away from the brick and mortar retail space that they did do very well in for a while. Obviously, because of the pandemic, a lot of companies are trying to just dominate e-commerce, and Naked Brand Group is trying to do just that. They so at the time, Naked Brand is exploring a potential divestment of its flagship brand, which is Bendon, and they're trying to do this to open exclusively an e-commerce structure through Fredericks, which is probably one of their more popular sub brands, Fredericks of Hollywood. And to do this, Naked wants to remove all group debt and transition to a pure play technology rich e-commerce platform through the divestment. And I think by doing this, it will create a lot more this room to grow for Naked Brand Group. And obviously nothing has been finalized, but they are trying to get this done at some point in the second quarter of this year. It'll be interesting to see what happens with Naked Brand Groups just change or transfer from really focusing on brick and mortar and then focusing now on e-commerce. And we're looking at the financials. Looking at this chart here, they've pretty much just been showing year-over-year declines in revenues each semi-annual period since pretty much 2017. And I think though net losses are showing some signs of improvement, these have been really obviously because of cost driving measures that they've done, but the rest of the expenditures that they have and expenses are really necessity based expenditures, so they need those to keep operating at a high level. So I don't really see anything more than that going down. Though that Naked did have to get back in compliance with the NASDAQ and stay above a $1, and they were able to do that, I think, because of the surge from the short squeezes. NASDAQ has posted 3 days of the 10 consecutive days that is needed above $1 to required price of NASDAQ recompliance. And I think they will continue to stay above $1 and remain on the NASDAQ, but just definitely wanted to mention that to you guys as well. And obviously, Naked Brand Group was impacted by the restrictions from Robinhood last week, or maybe it was the week before that. All the short squeeze stocks, Robinhood restricted them, and so I think that did affect the stock somewhat. Obviously, the stock went down, and I think now that those requirements are gone, we have been seeing crazy volume on Naked Brand Group, and we are seeing the stock to go up as well. So I think when stores, this is just my opinion, I think when retail brands and retail groups really try to completely change their business model, it is tough, and it is interesting to see what happens. And I feel like for the most part, it is difficult to completely switch a business model at a retail level and really just see exponential revenue and just overall just the company doing well. So it will be interesting to see what happens. I think Naked Brand Group is generating sales, and I think they are really trying to change their business model around for the better. So it will be interesting to see what happens. I do think this stock is going to continue to go up. I think we're ready to go on a run with NAKD. Let me know in the comments below. I think this is a stock that could hit $3 or $4 in the coming weeks. But do let me know in the comments below what price you guys got in NAKD, if you guys have any NAKD left, or what price you guys, or how many shares you guys have left of NAKD. Let me know in the comments below. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.